Hey Pokemon trainers. Welcome to your channel name. It's 2025 and Pokémon Legends. Zora is dropping soon on Nintendo Switch with epic real-time battles and mega evolutions. Ready to explore Lumiose City and become a Pokémon master? I've got 5 awesome tips for kids to rule the game. Smash that like button, subscribe, and let's dive into the adventure. Tip 1. Master real-time battles. Battles in Pokémon Legends. Zora are super exciting because they're in real time. You move your trainer with the left stick and use face buttons, A, B, X, Y to command moves. Each move has a cooldown, so timing is everything. Pro tip. Practice dodging enemy attacks by rolling yes. Your trainer can dodge. Try battling in wild zones to get the hang of it. Check out the official Pokemon site for battle tips. Link in description. Challenge. Tell me your favorite Pokemon move in the comments. Tip 2. Catch Pokemon like a pro. Catching Pokemon in Lumiose City's wild zones is an adventure. Some Pokemon run if they spot you, so crouch or hide behind objects to sneak up. Lower their HP in battle to make them easier to catch. Hot tip. Stock up on Pokeballs at shops in Lumiose City and use bait to lure shy Pokemon. http://blog.bestbuy.ca. Try this. Catch 3 different Pokemon in one wild zone session. Tip 3. Unlock Mega Evolutions. Mega Evolutions are back, and they're awesome. Certain Pokemon, like Charizard or Lucario, can transform into super strong forms if you have a Mega Stone and a Keystone. You'll get a Mega Ring later in the game to make it happen. Pro tip. Build a strong bond with your Pokemon by battling and exploring together. It makes Mega Evolutions even cooler. Question. Which Mega Evolution are you most excited for? Tip 4. Explore Lumiose City with parkour. Lumiose City is huge, and you can explore it with parkour moves. Climb, jump, or even glide between rooftops to find hidden items or wild zones. It's like being a Pokemon ninja. Cool trick. Check out Hotel Z, your home base, for quests from AZ and his float to unlock new areas. http://gamesradar.com. Challenge. Find a secret spot in Lumiose City and share it in the comments. Tip 5. Stay safe and have fun online. Pokémon Legends. Zora lets you battle and trade with friends online, but stay safe in 2025. Only share friend codes with people you trust and use Nintendo Switch parental controls for safe playtime. Fun tip. Join Pokemon communities on X to find trading partners or battle buddies. Look for the Zora Royale mode to rank up against other trainers. http://techradar.com. Action step. Share your favorite Pokemon to trade in the comments. That's it for our 5 epic Pokemon Legends. Zora tips for 2025. Which one are you trying when the game drops on October 16th, 2025? Drop it in the comments, like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more Pokemon adventures. Check out my Pokémon beginner guide linked below. Catch you in Lumiose City, trainers. That's all for now, folks. See you next time.